are killing with that offer right now.
Thank you. I really do appreciate that.
Bro.
I spent a lot of money. So like there was a period of time, February of 2020, randomly, I literally was like, I'm gonna do my body. And I was like, I don't know why I got that thought or that sentiment.
Try get on that.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, 'cause I'm not gonna get that in frame.
Okay.
Don't worry about that. No, I'm right here. No one's gonna get that.
Okay.
Oh, that's a nice shot. Can you come in a little bit more? Oh, hold that there. Your hands like there. Yeah, hold that, please. Hold it there. Hold it. It's a little bit too dark. There we go. There we go. Hold it there. Woo! There we go. They're in the frame. Give me a second. It's the best. That's the best part, man. That's the best part. Yeah. There we go. Come a little bit more. This one center. There we go. Perfect. All right. Let's check it out. Okay.
How are you feeling about these?
Yeah, you can have one leg out, one leg in.
Okay.
Let's see. No, let me see. Let me head it back a little bit. There we go. All right, cool. Oh, there we go. I like that. I like that. There we go. I'm telling you, give me ideas. Give me ideas. Now keep it like that, but put your hand on your chin like that. Yeah, there we go. And have your left arm like out a little bit more, like on your leg. There we go. Just relax. I like that. That is dope. See, you give me ideas. You give me ideas.
That's cute.
I like the shadows here. Like, there you go. Bring those out.
I like that one a lot.
You're gonna go that one.
I'm gonna post that one.
Yeah, you're gonna like flex on your IG when you get these pictures. Oh my god, spread them out. Actually, see if you can sit on this. It's like a sitting weight on the shot. No, don't apologize. All right, keep that, but pull your jacket back a little bit. Nice. And lean in like you did before. There we go. Hold that. Oh, that's perfect. Nice. This is the one of a golden hour, because usually for like the lighting, it would have been overexposed, but for Gona, it really like brings the picture out.
That's so soft. I love that. I love that over like that like hazy kind of a light. Really beautiful.
That's why if you ever go out like certain parts of Manhattan for golden hour, you see photographers like, yeah, like on the Manhattan Bridge going like the long splitter shots. Like, I cannot be there when they're there. I gotta be like 2 hours early to get that shot.
Wow, this is so pretty. I love that. You ate that with that.
That's what I saw. I was like
Be careful, careful.
Yeah, see, this was freestyled. I didn't plan this spot here.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
I thought you picked it out.
No. I just saw it. All right. So the next spot is going to be in Battery Park, and that's going to be our last spot before we go into the Oracle in the AC.
Okay.
Because you were cold.
Cold as shit.
All right. Let's go around this way.
Yeah, I want to catch that like blue because I want kind of like a similar kind of a vibe to that portrait.
Yeah. Yeah. And that was like freestyle too. I was like, oh, let me get this actually. Let me see. I think I see it. Okay. You're gonna stand right here, and I'm just gonna get you like right from there. You can sit right here. Nice. And look this way. Or like actually like this way where my hand is. Nice, awesome. And lean in more a little bit with your arms out. There we go. There we go, nice. Awesome. You check it out. It looks pretty good.
Ooh, I like that. That's pretty.
Just need your eyes just closed up on this one. I like how the colors change too as well.
I like how it went from like blue to like kind of pinky. Yeah.
Let me see. Ooh, can you stand like right here? I'm gonna get you in between here. Oh, that's nice. That's dope. And so, yep, there we go. Keep it right there. Right there, keep that there. Oh, yeah. Hold it. That's really dope. I like that. It's very, I like it a lot.
Ooh, that's kind of moody. Ooh, I like that.
Yeah, this is definitely moody. I like it a lot. That's really dope.
I like that.
Ooh, that's nice. I like it. Wow. The last shot would have been over there. We gotta, if you're cool waiting, you know what I'm saying? They will go away.
They will go.
Okay. So I'm cool waiting if you want to wait. Cool, let's do it. Is there any other spot here? Let me see.
Okay.
You can stand right in the middle here. Or actually, right here, actually. So your back's on the way. Hold it. There we go. Right there. Oh, you like that? Nice. You're making my job easy right now.
Oh my God, I'm trying.
You're making my job real easy. Like,
Thank you. Ooh, cute. Cute.
I like this one a lot,
I
actually.
like that one a lot too. Oh, thank God for Instagram.
You know what? When I first started too, I usually edit it on Instagram until I like, you know what? Let me do Lightroom.
Okay. Do you have to pay for Lightroom?
I do because I gotta use Premiere Pro.
The Pro one.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
which is cheap. I only pay like $12 a month for it.
That's not bad.
It's cheap.
That's